I would like to express my gratitude to the international jury and the organizers of Vilenice Literary International Festival. Let me read a couple of words of my thanks. The news that I was the winner of the Crystal Award could not have come at a better time for me because at the moment, like many other artists, I am in a spiritual, emotional, but also existential crisis. Recognizing the voice of poetry that is brought to the very edge of silence in times of media noise is a miracle in itself. That's why I thank from the bottom of my heart the jury and the organizers of Vilenica Festival as one of the most important literary festivals in the world today. Vilenica has always had poetry evenings in a beautiful cave. It was the cruel beauty of stalactites and stalagmites, the crystal belly of the earth. Virtualized landscapes are now our necessary evil. Artists try to perform the new normal, even though they know that by closing spaces for live performances, art as a profession might soon disappear. In my poetry from the new collection Soiled with Earth, Drunk on Air, I mostly deal with the idea of the unspeakable, unspeakably beautiful and unspeakably terrible. I'm a sort of a plant whisperer, again on the trail of what fascinates me most now, and it's the ecology of the human spirit. My poetry is a libretto for whispering to magic herbs and listening to the voices of silence. In my poetry collection, plants are the protagonists. It is a space of post-apocalypse. I started long before the corona happened, so I would say that in many ways I foresaw an atmosphere of giving up, fear, isolation, and overcoming it all through understanding people as part of nature, and not as those who are most important only to themselves. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart.